Run means community. Run means people. And that's what I believe in. That when it comes to de-addiction, mental health, and then rehabilitation, it cannot happen without community or without the support of the people. In rehabilitation sector, it is your patients that teach you the maximum. I mean, they actually teach you what to do and what not to do and what to be careful of. It's a very big responsibility. I mean, everything is at stake. You're dealing with difficult situations over there. So we are trying to train people. We are trying to do things. We are creating those modules where we could have the right people to do things for us.
I mean, at the end, like he said, and then it's always engaging the patient and doing what's best for the patient. I think that's my take-home message.
So I believe he's doing a phenomenal job because, of course, it's a very difficult thing to actually set up a rehab center and get it operational.
We thank him for kind of enlightening us on the specifics of rehabilitation care, and many of us are theoretically quite knowledgeable on how things work, but practically हमारा हाथ थोड़ा कच्चा है. So we will thank Dr. Rohit for enlightening us on the critical aspects of how a rehab center actually should work. So wonderful experience in that way.
Yeah, rehabilitation is very important once the initial treatment has been done. And in case of de-addiction, it is the most important because they have to prevent relapse. We must congratulate him that he has taken courage to establish such a model. It is a very, very difficult thing, very tough. Okay, so many difficulties you face. So it requires tremendous energy, tremendous patience and perseverance, which he has shown already. And I think we must support it.
Thank you.